Guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Google Authenticator on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use Google Authenticator for Discord, you just simply have to open this Authenticator application. Then after that, you will get to see this plus button at the bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that and select enter a setup key option. And after that, you will get to see this section. Now into here, you just simply have to enter your account name at first. You can name it anything that you'd like, and after that, important part comes here. Into this, your key section, you just simply have to put the key which you will get into the two-factor authentication section of Discord. Then after putting that key into this section, just simply tap into add option. Let me do this process real quick. And after adding, this Discord option will show into your homepage. Then after that, you can easily use Google Authentication for Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.